Hi everyone! Today's make a swap project is decorating this lovely blank tote bag. So I'll be adding lots of Happy Flex and Happy Flock HTV shapes, which is iron-on vinyl. I'll be using our HappyPress for A4 white auto open to fuse them onto this bag. So I'll be sending this tote bag to Shikira from Creative and she's going to work her magic with her embroidery skills onto it. So let's get making! So I've added a bowl in the middle of the tote bag. This is because I'm going to be adding the shapes around to create a blank circle in the middle for Shikira to do her embroidery inside. So I'm going to add all the shapes around and then take this off and press them all. Here it is! It's so bright and colourful. I've added lots of abstract shapes and layered some of these as well. It's super easy to hand cut them all and layer them one at a time. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it, and I've left it a little circle shape ready for Shikira to embroider into. So I'm going to get this sent off and I can't wait to see what she does with it.